Best apps for Instagram Reels editing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you guys the best apps for Instagram's Reels editing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So in today's video, I'll show you guys few of the best apps for Instagram's Reel editing. So for that, you can open up your app store and first search for CapCut. Now this is the first app that we use. I personally use this as well. So there is an update available. So CapCut allows you a very wide range of editing tools and a really, versatile way. You can edit your videos, you can edit your photos as well in CapCut. So you can use keyframe feature, you can use different fonts, text, stickers, you can use animations as well to edit your reels for Instagram. So this is one of the best apps out there and you can get this for free as well. So this is the first app. Now the second app is called InShot. So InShot is also another app that I use. As you can see, I've already installed this. Now this is a really easy tool. You can use it for small edits, you can use it for cutting, you can use it for transitions, you can use it for captions and stuff like that. And yeah, this is a really easy app to use comparatively. So yeah, you can use this app to change your normal video to a really exciting Instagram reels. And this is the second one. Now the third one is called VN Video Editor. So search for VN Video Editor, and after you search for it, there we go. Now I used to use this video tool as well, and this was a really compact tool. You can use this for a really wide range of stuff. You can use this, as you can see, for keyframe animation. You can use it for color grading features. You can remove backgrounds and do a lot of different stuffs. So yeah, this is the last app that we are gonna see here. So yeah, you can now edit your Instagram reels, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.